Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by selecting the frames you want to connect, not by fiddling with preferences. Pick the primary screens now. Once selected, open the prototype panel and set the device and initial flow. This establishes context for interactions. Then create interaction nodes from elements or whole frames. Drag the circular handle to the destination frame. Make sure to name your frames clearly so you can tell where each connection goes, and keep controls visible while you place links. Next, focus on how users move between screens. Choose triggers like on click, drag, or after delay depending on the intended behavior. Once a trigger is set, pick the action Navigate for full screens, Overlay for pop-ups, and Swap for component-based changes, because the action defines the UX pattern. Then tailor the animation. Select easing, duration, and direction to convey momentum. Make sure to preserve scroll positions for long content, and test flow length to keep interaction. Finally, test the prototype in present mode and click through every path. You need to validate timing, overlays, and back navigation. Once done, refine hotspots and hit areas so interactions feel natural, and adjust Z-order or constraints if overlays appear behind elements. If something breaks, inspect the connection handles to confirm targets, verify frame names and flow starting point, and check constraints that might move components. Make sure to iterate on micro-interactions until the flow feels intuitive and polished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.